Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your daily reading, Gemini, we are picking few cards for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking cards as we proceed, Gemini. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your career situation or your relationship, you can think about it and we will pick the cards as we proceed. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's 5 of Suns, 4 of Spears and 6 of Moons. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, it may be something to do with your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with this card, I see that you are going towards a very positive thing in your life, some positive unfoldment, happiness, success in whatever you do, and you are maybe in your projects or some financial deals in your work, something, whatever it is, whatever path you are choosing for yourself, you are simply successful, happy for how things are going in your life, guys. Gemini, there is a positive turn of events I see for you all, guys. So in your work or in your personal life, things are going in a positive way and you feel generous today. You are helping people and you are seeing success in your business and making, maybe for some of you, you are making important financial investments, so you are happy for it, and you are also helping people, sharing your good fortune with the people. So in your family or friends, you may be gifting them, or someone is coming with gifts today, guys. And I also see that with that good fortune and wealth, there is also something negative coming into being, guys. So you may become too bossy or authoritarian, so you have to keep a check on that. Maybe some of you may try to use your power and authority on people around you, people who work for you, or with someone in your family. So that pride and that authority, you need to keep a check on that. But other than that, I see that your situation, you are forgetting your past hurts and moving on in your life, seeing things differently today, and you feel happy for how things are going in your situation today. And maybe for some of you, this a past person is coming with gifts, or it may be your person coming with gifts to visit you, and you are happy. That is what I see, guys, with this with these cards for your daily energies, Gemini. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Sorry, guys. So for your career situation, I'll be picking one card. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn this card now. Soulmates. So with this card, the energy for your career situation is you are progressing in a positive way towards that harmonious partnerships or collaborations in your business, and you are in a phase where you evolve and transform with the help of others, guys, in your situation today. So in your career, that strategic alliances are the most important things for you, that will help you and support you in your dreams. And when you share this journey with other people, your mentors or business partners or your employees, so they will open the doors for you to step up into that successful collaboration, commitment and co-creation. So this is what you have been waiting for, guys. So there are people coming towards you to help you in your career situation, and with that help and support of that people, you are progressing positively towards that greater potential success. So that is what I see with this card, Gemini. So let's pick one more card for your relationship, Gemini. So what is the card for your relationship? Whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. A leg up. So with that card again, this card also stands for help and support, guys. So we must understand that relationships flourish on interdependence. So we have to recognize that we need others as much as they need us, and we must allow this person to support us, and just like we are there for them at times of need. So this is the time to be vulnerable. Maybe if you want help, you can just speak up, ask for their help, and it will be fulfilled, Gemini. You have to have that trust. You will be met with kindness and love, and this is the time to be vulnerable, speak up your needs, and if you ask, it will be fulfilled, guys. You will be met with kindness and love. And don't expect others to read your mind, Gemini, because they will not be able to. You have to ask for that help, and it will be given to you. So that is what I see with this card. So this person is there to help you and support you in whatever ways they can. All you need to do is ask them for that help that you need today. Maybe something in your regarding something about your situation. When you go for the teamwork, you will see miracles happening, and now is such a time, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.